They charge me so much more money for a waxing appointment. Every situation is a hairy situation. My whole life's rough. All I've been doing is howling. Happy Halloween. Welcome to Her Many Faces. I'm Bethany. I am doing Halloween makeup. October is the most wonderful month. Woo! This is my version of a female teen wolf. So, how you doing? I'm actually terrible at basketball, so I will not show my basketball skills. We're here now, and I wanted you to know how we got here. So please stay tuned to the other Bethany as she explains our process. Well, she won't. The other Bethany that does voiceover will, but you get it. Hi, and welcome to Her Many Faces. What she said, pretty much. Except for the howling part. That part I didn't agree with. Today we're going to be working on doing our own version of Teen Wolf. Yeah, I'm excited for this process. Zero idea how it's going to look at the end. I'm sure it will be entertaining, especially with editor Bethany running her mouth as she does. I shall just be working this magic area right here. Yeah, could be fun. Could also just end in blood and misery, but oh well, it's worth the risk. Let's get started.
Editing Bethany here. I just wanted to talk about Teen Wolf for a second because I think that maybe some of the people in the audience might not actually know this movie. It was in 1985 that Teen Wolf came out, and Michael J. Fox was the star of the show. It was about a guy who was a hereditary werewolf, and he became a werewolf in the end, kind of like going through puberty in high school or something like that. It's a coming-of-age romantic fantasy, funny, outlandish. I kind of remember it being a little bit too explicit for the age that I was while I was watching it, and my mom had to cover my eyes and be like, "Don't watch, this isn't for you." I think there was like a moment where they were like at a party or something like that, and my mom's like, "No, don't watch." That's how I remember the movie, is like parts of it I couldn't watch. But it was really endearing to watch Michael J. Fox go through these changes and transitions as he transitioned into werewolfhood. I don't really know what to call it. It's a transition, though, like we all are going through in life. Especially this life. We're all transitioning into being home more and finding new hobbies or possibly even new jobs. Anyways, I don't know where that went. We are painting still. Here I am applying eyelashes. Eyelashes can be tricky, and I think the trick is to find the right amount of glue, take the right amount of time between setting the glue to your skin so that it actually is tacky, and just a lot of practice. If you screw it up once, don't worry about it. Just try again. Even if you have to redo some of the parts of your makeup, don't get frustrated. It's just makeup. Nobody's gonna die. There's nothing too, crazy going on. Just breathe and try again. I think that's what a lot of my makeup has taught me, is to breathe. Now, I was using this Mehron mirror so that I could see which direction the letters are from the reflection, because sometimes I get it inverted and I'll do it the opposite way. So that's just a good rule of thumb to make sure that you know which direction your letters are going, or if you're doing insignia, just make sure that you hold it up to a mirror and can kind of draw it the right direction. Unless you're not like me, which is directionally challenged, sometimes I even don't know which way is left or right. And I look down at my hands and I make the L shape, but they both make L's, and it's very confusing and conflicting. So here I am going over again, painting the Letterman jacket with the blue and getting in there for all the fine detail work. This is a very simple but time-consuming piece. When it comes to clothing, the most important thing is laying down some really strong colors, and then the next most important phase is going to be your coloring with shades to make sure that you have that layer of the jacket sitting on top of the t-shirt. All the little detail of the t-shirt with the stitching or anything like that, it's just going to add an extra pop. I think I tried to do the buttons on the Letterman jacket. Buttles. It's like a bottle button. I mean, I think I have something there. That's $1 million idea. Don't take it. It's my idea, okay? Buttles. Trademarked by Bethany. And here I am painting my arms with the tiniest brush imaginable. I mean, I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was just thinking the more brushes I use, the more I have to wash the brushes. And yes, we're in the middle of 31 days of makeup. It has been a lot of washing brushes. That's what most of my time is spent doing, is just washing brushes. So here we are. It's all shaded in. I'm sorry. It looks like the camera jumped that part again, and now I'm just adding in some more furry details. It looks great.
Yes, I am a female version of Teen Wolf. Pretty sure that movie's about puberty. You know what? It's been a while since I've seen it. Happy Halloween! It is 1 month of fun, good stuff.
Thanks so much for watching. I had a lot of fun with this look. I hope you did too, and we will see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!